1. 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Monza. Price $19,500, located New Buffalo, Michigan. This 1966 Chevrolet Corvair Monza is a beautifully restored classic that blends unique rear engine engineering with modern performance upgrades. Finished in sleek black with a rare bronze interior, this Monza stands out with its one-year-only interior color and upgraded Corsa dash with full gauges. With 62,000 miles and a 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers an engaging and authentic driving experience. Under the rear deck sits a brand new high-performance 140 horsepower engine built with forged pistons 60 over, Clark's full-fin cylinders, OT20 camshaft, deep seat heads, roller rockers, and headers connected to new dual-turbo mufflers. A 4-barrel 390 Holley carburetor has been installed and is tuned to run smoothly without the cold-natured behavior common in similar conversions. The suspension components are also brand new, ensuring tight handling and confident road manners. Factory air conditioning was included with the car, and a new AC system has been installed. The condenser is included and simply needs installation and charging to complete the setup. A 4-wheel disc brake conversion significantly improves stopping performance. New American racing wheels and tires complete the aggressive stance. The undercarriage is clean and solid, reflecting the quality of the restoration. This Corvair Monza is ready to drive and enjoy, offering distinctive style, strong performance, and classic Chevrolet heritage. 2. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price $25,000, located Falmouth, Kentucky. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a strong running classic muscle car that blends original body character with upgraded small block performance. The body shows 130,000 miles, while the 350 cubic inch engine has approximately 5,000 miles since rebuild, making it a solid driver with refreshed mechanical strength. Finished in red with a black interior, this Nova carries the bold and aggressive look that made these cars popular on both the street and strip. Power comes from a 350 V8 paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission and stall converter. It also features a shift kit, headers, and a mild race cam, giving the car a noticeable lope at idle and improved throttle response. The combination delivers strong acceleration and dependable street performance. The car was painted in 1996 and has been garage kept for 26 years, seeing very limited driving time since. New tires have been installed, and the vehicle holds a clean title with no significant damage or known issues. This Nova represents a great opportunity for someone looking for a classic Chevrolet that can be enjoyed immediately. Serious buyers only, and the seller may consider a trade for an equal-value Chevrolet 4-wheel drive truck. 3. 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Price $26,500, located Mansfield, Ohio. This 1970 Chevrolet Nova Coupe is a turnkey tube chassis build designed for serious street and strip performance. With 26,500 miles listed and fresh paint throughout, this Nova delivers aggressive race-inspired styling combined with proven big block power. The car features a 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine backed by a Powerglide transmission, creating a reliable and consistent drag racing combination. Built on a mild steel chassis with integrated roll cage, this Nova includes a Ford 9-inch rear end with ladder bar setup and Mark Williams axles for strength and durability. A rear-mounted fuel cell and electric fuel pump ensure proper fuel delivery, while dual rear battery trays provide balanced electrical support. The Mustang 2 front suspension with rack and pinion steering enhances handling and steering precision. The body uses steel doors, steel roof, and steel quarter panels, combined with a fiberglass nose, hood, and rear bumper to reduce weight. Additional performance features include MSD6AL ignition, quarter-stick shifter, wheelie bars, and an aluminum rear wing. This Nova is fully sorted and ready to race, offering serious performance in a classic Chevrolet package. 4. 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo. Price $9,500, located Shade, Ohio. This 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo is a classic big block-powered muscle car that offers strong performance and solid mechanical updates. Finished in gray with a black interior, this Monte Carlo combines luxury styling with aggressive drivetrain components. With 82,379 miles and a Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers an authentic muscle-era driving experience. Under the hood sits a 454 cubic inch engine equipped with an aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, Hooker headers, and Thrush header mufflers. The engine is paired with a Hurst Competition Plus shifter, providing precise gear changes. A new LUK clutch kit has been installed, the flywheel has been resurfaced, and a new clutch pedal assembly has been fitted. The rear end features a 10-bolt with 3.08 Posey traction. The braking system has been completely refreshed with new disc brakes in front, drum brakes in the rear, and new front-to-rear brake lines. Additional upgrades include air shocks and new BMR rear control arms and sway bar not yet installed. The windshield is currently removed for repair around the frame, and a new windshield is included. Matching ET slot wheels with new tires complete the look. This Monte Carlo runs and drives and presents a strong value for big block muscle enthusiasts. 5. 1949 Chevrolet Delivery. Price $19,500, located Lebanon, Tennessee. This 1949 Chevrolet Delivery is a fully customized classic panel truck with strong hot rod character and documented history. Previously owned and built by renowned pinstriper George Williams, this unique build carries both craftsmanship and personality. After his passing, the truck was carefully stored, preserving its older yet still beautiful paint finish. The black exterior pairs perfectly with a clean tan interior that remains in excellent condition. Power comes from a reliable 250 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine equipped with dual carburetors, headers, and electronic ignition. The engine is matched to a 4-speed manual transmission, providing an engaging and traditional driving experience. The truck benefits from a Mustang 2 front suspension and a 4-link rear setup with airbags, delivering improved ride quality and modern handling characteristics. Disc brakes provide confident stopping power, and new tires have recently been installed. This custom delivery runs and drives great, capable of maintaining highway speeds comfortably. The underpinnings are solid, and the truck presents well both cosmetically and mechanically. This 1949 Chevrolet Delivery offers classic post-war styling blended with tasteful upgrades, making it a standout cruiser ready to enjoy immediately. 6. 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Race Car. Price $14,000, located Murray, Kentucky. This 1973 Chevrolet Chevelle Drag Race Car is a turnkey race-ready machine built for consistent strip performance. Powered by a freshly refreshed 355 small block Chevrolet engine with no passes since rebuild, this car is prepared for immediate competition. Internal components include a scat crankshaft, scat rods, floater pistons, aluminum heads, and a solid roller camshaft with 0.585 lift from comp cams. Fuel and ignition systems are performance-oriented, featuring MSD6AL ignition, a 2-step setup, an A/B and M shifter connected to a PTC Powerglide transmission. A strange rear axle with spool ensures maximum traction and durability under hard launches. The car also includes Hooker headers, electric fan, and aluminum radiator to manage heat efficiently. Lightweight fiberglass doors, hood, and front bumper help reduce weight, while new wheels, tires, and slicks have fewer than 15 passes. This Chevelle is built strictly for racing, offered as a serious bracket or sportsman competitor. Retiring from racing, the seller is offering the car separately from the enclosed race trailer. This is a ready-to-stage, no-nonsense drag car for serious racers. 7. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Convertible. Price $43,900, located Hodgenville, Kentucky. This 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Convertible is a beautifully restored open-top cruiser finished in misty blue with a black interior and white convertible top. Powered by a stock 283 V8 paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, this Malibu offers smooth and reliable performance. Equipped with power steering, power disc brakes, and power convertible top, it delivers both comfort and classic style. Originally sold new in Florence, Kentucky, this car includes the original owner's manual, warranty booklet, and Protecto plate, adding authenticity and collector appeal. The restoration was completed in 2021, with most receipts available. The body is aero-straight and rust-free, and the floors underneath are clean and solid. It rides on rally wheels wrapped in new BF Goodrich tires. The rear end has been rebuilt with 3.36 gears for improved drivability. Gauges, lights, wipers, and power top all function properly. Chrome, trim, and weather stripping appear fresh and well-maintained. This convertible runs and drives exceptionally well and is ready for cross-country cruising without needing a trailer. 8. 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price $53,000, located Peotone, Illinois. This 1967 Chevrolet Chevelle is a fully rebuilt muscle car that delivers classic styling with refreshed mechanical strength. Finished in blue with a black interior, this Chevelle presents in outstanding condition with no visible rust and a clean title. With only 10,000 miles since rebuild and just 2 owners, it has been carefully maintained and preserved. The car is equipped with a strong SS specification engine paired to an automatic transmission, providing smooth yet powerful performance. The drivetrain has been rebuilt, and all major components are reported to be in mint condition. The engine bay is clean and detailed, reflecting the thorough nature of the restoration. Inside, the black interior is well kept, maintaining its original muscle-era feel while presenting fresh and clean throughout. The body panels align properly, and the paint shows deep color and shine. Suspension and braking systems are sorted, allowing the car to run and drive like a dream. This 1967 Chevelle represents a prime example of a properly restored mid-60s Chevrolet muscle car, ready for shows, cruising, or collection. 9. 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D. Price $10,000, located Pomeroy, Ohio. This 1983 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe 2D is a solid G-body performance build that combines classic 80s styling with modern LS power. Finished in white with a blue interior, this Monte Carlo retains its original character while benefiting from a strong drivetrain upgrade. The chassis shows 36,000 original miles, and approximately 1,000 miles have been added since completion of the build. Under the hood sits a 6.0-liter LQ4 LS engine, paired with a 4L60 automatic transmission. The engine runs strong and shifts smoothly, delivering dependable street performance with modern reliability. Considerable time and money have been invested into the swap, making this a well-sorted and enjoyable driver. The car is structurally solid and holds a clean title with no significant damage reported. The paint presents well overall, though it could benefit from improvement to match the mechanical quality of the build. The interior remains clean and comfortable, maintaining its factory blue theme that complements the white exterior nicely. This Monte Carlo SS offers an affordable entry into LS swapped classic ownership. It runs and drives great, making it ideal for cruising, local shows, or weekend enjoyment. 10. 1975 Chevrolet Nova Hatchback. Price $7,500, located Brighton, Illinois. This 1975 Chevrolet Nova hatchback is a classic compact muscle platform with solid mechanical upgrades and strong street presence. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 with a 4-barrel carburetor, this Nova delivers reliable small block performance. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission with low miles and features a B and MZ gate shifter for firm and controlled gear changes. The car runs and drives fine, making it a practical project or weekend cruiser. The odometer is inoperative, but the drivetrain performs well. New tires with fewer than 200 miles are mounted on aluminum slot wheels, giving the car a period-correct look. A new fuel tank has been installed, adding reliability to the fuel system. Inside, new carpet has been fitted, and the floorboards are solid. The trunk well is also solid, reflecting good structural integrity. The passenger door has a rust hole, though 2 extra replacement doors are included with the sale. This Nova represents an affordable classic Chevrolet with strong potential, whether kept as a driver or taken to the next level with further restoration. 11. 1973 Chevrolet El Camino. Price $4,500, located DeMotte, Indiana. This 1973 Chevrolet El Camino is a true barn-find classic that offers vintage muscle styling with restoration potential. Finished in red with a black interior, this El Camino is powered by a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It was discovered and stored indoors approximately 26 years ago and has remained preserved since. The engine turns freely, although it has not been started recently. With only 39,000 miles documented and a clean Indiana title reflecting actual mileage, this vehicle presents an appealing foundation for revival. The interior remains in good condition, and the doors open and close properly without sagging, indicating solid hinge and structural integrity. Factory air conditioning adds to the originality of the vehicle. While the body does show rust, it maintains strong classic lines and offers an excellent base for restoration or patina-style preservation. The vehicle has been stored inside for decades, helping protect many of its components. This 1973 El Camino is offered at an affordable price and represents a great opportunity for enthusiasts looking to restore a classic Chevrolet utility muscle vehicle.